Mr. Michael, social studies teacher. Click the link to learn how to use these lecture note videos. World History 1 Topic 2.1 Civilization emerges in Sumer. Mesopotamia means between the rivers in Greek. The fertile farmland allowed for the rise of civilizations. Geography influenced the development of civilizations in Mesopotamia, also known as the Fertile Crescent. The early civilizations of Mesopotamia depended on the region's two important rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates. Rich soil and floods from the Tigris and Euphrates rivers created fertile land for farming. Hunter-gatherer groups first settled in Mesopotamia, and these people learned how to plant crops and to grow their own food on the fertile farmland. Plentiful food led to population growth and the formation of villages, which eventually developed into city-states and the world's first civilization. Farming and trade formed the basis of Sumer's economy. The main features of Sumerian civilization included an organized government, a distinct social hierarchy, an organized religion, and a writing system. The social hierarchy of Sumerian society was divided into three levels. At the top were rulers, officials, and priests. Then lesser priests, scribes, merchants, and artisans. At the bottom were peasant farmers. The Sumerian government was both a monarchy and a theocracy. The king was an absolute ruler as well as a leading religious official. Ancient Sumerians used a system of writing known as cuneiform, which transformed pictorial drawings into signs that represented words. Cuneiform recorded all important activities, from the sale of land to marriage and adoption contracts. Sumerians used cuneiform to strengthen their religious practice by writing down prayers. The famous Epic of Gilgamesh, a Sumerian tale of a man searching for eternal life, was written in cuneiform. Traders and adaptation by succeeding rulers spread Sumerian culture throughout Mesopotamia. The Babylonians used and adapted Sumerian mathematical knowledge by developing algebra and geometry. Bonus questions. Use your notes and this video to answer the questions. How did geography influence the development of civilizations in the Fertile Crescent? How did the Babylonians use and adapt Sumerian mathematical knowledge? What are the three levels of Sumerian society? How did Sumerian culture spread throughout Mesopotamia? How did Sumerians use cuneiform to strengthen their religious practice? How do you know the Sumerian government was both a monarchy and a theocracy? What two activities formed the basis of Sumer's economy? What geographic feature of the Fertile Crescent led to the rise of Sumerian civilization?